Now question of the day, how can determine equivalent resistance between A and B? Look here very carefully. First of all, 20 and 20 are parallel. Okay, these two are parallel. So what about that value? 10 ohm. Okay, and 5 plus 5, 10 and 10 is how much? 20. And 20 and combination of this one is 20. So these two are how much? 10 ohm because of parallel. 10 ohm and 10 ohm is how much? Parallel. So combination of these three is how much? You can say the 5 ohm. Clear? Now next target. Here 1 by 15, 1 by 15, 1 by 15. These three are parallel. Basically 3 by 15 plus 1 by 55. Okay, this one is also parallel. So we got 2, 5 by, basically that one is 2.5. Okay, because of 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So 2 by 5. So 1 by R is 2 by 5. So R is how much? 5 by 2 means 2.5. Clear? So you can say that that one is 5 ohm and that one is how much? 2.5 ohm. After that, look here. This one is short circuit. So this one dummy resistance, that one is a dummy resistance. These, and here also, here short circuit. So that one is also dummy resistance. No current flow. Here. Okay, all current passing through here to here. Why? Because of short circuit. That's why. Okay. So 2 and 2 are in series. So combination of these two is how much? Simply you can say that 4 ohm. Okay. Now after that 2 ohm, 4 ohm, and this one is short circuit, this one is short circuit. 2 and 4 is how much? 6 ohm because of series. So 6, 4 and 5 are parallel. So you can say that 6 ohm, here 4 ohm, and here 5 ohm. Here 2.5 ohm. Here A and here B. Okay. Now these three are parallel. So 1 by 6, 1 by 4 and 1 by 5. So 1 by 6 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 5. So R of this one, suppose that 1 by R dash. So R dash is how much? First of all, you can, what about that value? 20 plus 30 plus 24 divided by 6, 24, 5 4 ja 20, 120. So 120 divided by, what about that value? 50 plus 20, 70, 74. Okay, so R of AB is how much? 2.5 plus 120 divided by 74. You can use with the help of calculator. What about that value? 120 divided by 74 is how much? 1.6 1.621. So finally plus 2.5, then we got how much? 4.121 ohm is the final answer. Make it. I hope so clear.